Hey kids, hey Benaya, hey Ella, what's up? Well, I've ordered some great decast cars and trucks, and let's start with the first one. What do I have here? Can you guess? This is it, a pitchfork. Benaya, isn't it great? Always wanted a pitchfork. Look, that's a beauty. It is very detailed, mostly plastic, partly metal. You can see the metal parts. See it? This is the pitch, the fork. See? It goes up and down. You can see the driver's cab and the steering wheel. Beautiful parts. I've ordered it from AliExpress. This brand. Looks great. Well, I think this is it. Let's see if it can lift something. Well, bye bye.